For a long time, I've loved the idea of trying macro photography. Since macro lenses are rather expensive, I opted to try out renting a lens, which was also a new experience. I have no affiliation with lensrentals.com. I'm just a happy customer who would absolutely recommend them. Every step of the process was just easy, which is pretty rare these days. The lens I rented was the Sigma 105mm f2.8 DG-DN Macro Art, and my camera is a Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Because it was evening and already dark outside, I got started with a few random things around my house. While all the dust I saw was a little embarrassing, I did also find the look of it kind of interesting. And since I am a complete beginner at this, I mostly left the lens on autofocus. The little time I spent trying to manually focus was very unsuccessful. The next session was outside, just around the yard. This grape hyacinth ended up being my favorite edited photo. I think the shot that surprised me the most was how the sand around our pond looked. Another evening, I did an indoor session and set up the photo box. My girls helped with picking out the subjects and backdrop colors. There you go. And now enjoy my daughter's interpretation of the pesky orange ladybugs, or Asian lady beetles to be exact.
Us ladies, we do not trespass like those pesky orange bugs. Get your fur coats on, ladies. We're going on a trip. We're going somewhere warm for the winter without those pesky bugs.
Oh. No, I think I'm done with that bug. What else can we get in there? That would be cool. Shine it like from the side. See if you can just get another light angle on it. Ooh, yeah. Sometimes it gives it a few more. Oh, it popped.
It's like no more pictures. It's just cute. Look at him, he's so cute.
I'm taking a picture of a tiny duck. Gain friends.
Duckling.
Do back middle.
I've turned a little bit. They all look friendly. Can
It's so dirty. In summary, I barely scratched the surface of macro photography. I really enjoyed it and hope to continue practicing when time allows. And now a few outtakes. Oh, I have it in the wrong setting. Cool. Do you want to turn it on?
Yeah.
Power button. There you go.
Enough.
You can edit that out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bye, have a great day.
This is just cool. Okay, get your orange. No, sorry, I don't need to say that. Get your fur coats on and your velvet blankets. They're made from only the finest dog hair. We do not trespass. Okay, let's leave and go find somewhere warm for the winter. Okay, pack your velvet blankets and your other fur blankets. Karen, you know those pesky orange bugs. You know, we do not intrude like those pesky bugs. And we shall set off to find a warm place for the winter, gals. Let's go! Whee!